man, finna bring y'all another video, man. How y'all doing out there, man? It's kind of cloudy today, so we might get a little rain real quick, but I got another install coming to Ghost, man. So let's go on and fire this thing up on a nice little cold start. Oh, I got baby scat pack sitting right here, or SST, or whatever y'all want to call them, or GT or something. All right, Ron, let's fire that thing on up, man. I want to see what his reaction gonna be when I fire this thing up. Let's see. Ron.
Jeez! Jesus Christ.
Alright. Let me go on and cut that thing on off. I just wanted to see his reaction, man. But look, check this out, baby SXT. I'm gonna call him baby GT. Shoot, they the same thing. GT is one step higher than a whatchamacallit, man. But check this out, man. It's the install we got today, man. We got the joints from what's that place called? Amazon. So y'all check this out, man. It called Shadow Lights. I ordered these things back in April, and they're just not getting here today. So yeah, if you know what today is, then yeah, man, you already know what's going on. So I don't know what it's. Oh, so check this out. They go down here, right there. So yeah, man, this is Shadow Lights right here. We're finna go and do that first install and see what this thing looking like. All right, man, I'm back at it, man. Baby GT went down for a nap. So all right, we're finna go and get these Puddle lights installed, man. And from the looks of it, I thought I had to take the whole door off. You ain't even gotta take the whole door off. You can just take a screwdriver, stick it underneath it, and do it real quick. So that's the first thing we finna do. I'm gonna get y'all set up so y'all can see this thing. I don't know why my camera looks so shiesty like that. All right, how you say? I think you put some. How you turn that joint? Oh, boom. So you turn that. So you wanna cut that joint off? And what we gonna do? You gonna let the get under here with it. So from what I was told, you just stick it underneath it like that. Oh. Also, I failed to mention, when you putting them on there, they have them listed right here. Left side means left side of the car. Right side means right side of the car. So yeah, just so you won't make no mistakes. I'm tripping, I'm a YouTuber. Just so you don't make no mistakes, man. Left side is for the left side of the car. Right side is for the right side of the car. So you can go through and do it the first time and just go on and throw that thing on up there. Here, they got a clamp. See this clamp right here, and it's a cutout right there. So you just slide it in right there, and you see that light display. And then you see that Hellcat on that ground. Yes, Lord. All right, man. That's it. Yeah, now when you really can't see, because this car decided to put real close to me. So yeah, y'all see what's going on. I'm trying to hit this car with my car. I don't want no problems. But yeah. Now you see how this one's facing this way and this one's facing that way. So what I'm thinking is I possibly, if that Hellcat is going that way, I might flip that joint. Can you see? If this one going this way and this one going the opposite way. So I'm thinking this goes over here. So, oh, wait a minute, I am a YouTuber. Yes. So, man, like I said, man, simple little mod, just change your door lights out every time you open the door. That display, that Hellcat on the ground, you know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all gonna like this video. Yeah, share this video, because, you know, a lot of people don't know how to do these. A lot of car people that's in the world, man, they be skipping over little simple little mods like this. So man, just go on and share this video for your boy. Share this video, like this video, comment on this video. I don't even know what to tell y'all to comment, man. But look, y'all be safe out there, man, with this COVID. Real deal, holy spill. Stay inside, man. Lock your doors. Get you some weapons, man, because purge coming soon. That's all I got to say, man. I'm out of here like last year. tap that with the screwdriver.